name's Jamie, and I'm an instructor here at FiveStar Forklift Training. Right from the start, we jump on a forklift. We have lots of space outside in the parking lot, and they can drive around, and we make sure that they're safe as they begin to operate. So then once they start to get comfortable on the forklift, and we know that they're okay with their driving, then we just kind of very naturally, bit by bit, progress with the training. So we start to teach them how to stack and how to use the forklift. There's a book that people go through. It touches on all of the safety elements of the forklift. But we talk with people through the book. Everybody can kind of do it at their own pace. If people come here and English might not be their first language, that's no problem. We sit down, we give them lots of time. If they need extra time to come in another day, then no problem for us. You can't learn how to drive something if you're reading about it. You have to feel it. It has to be experiential. For the last 7 or 8 years, Milt, the owner here, has been barbecuing cheeseburgers for everybody. So if you come here and you want a cheeseburger and some home-cut fries, then lunch is served daily at noon. We want people to have a very good day here, you know. We make lots of friends here, and we have lots of people that enjoy coming here because we do provide such a welcoming and at-home natural environment.